Welcome to our channel. Today we how to change Wi-Fi password on AT&T router. Quick tip, step by step clearly. Begin by connecting your device to the AT&T router using Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Open a web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in 192.168.1.254 and press enter. This will take you to the AT&T router login page. If prompted, enter your router's admin credentials. The default username is usually admin for the password. Check your router's label or use the default password if you haven't changed it. Once logged in, look for the Home Network or Wi-Fi section on the menu. Click on Wi-Fi to access your wireless settings. Locate the option for changing your Wi-Fi password. Enter your new password in the designated field. Ensure your new password is strong and secure for better protection. After entering the new password, look for the option to save changes. Click on Save or Apply to confirm the new settings. Your router may take a moment to reboot and apply the changes. Reconnect your devices using the new Wi-Fi password. If you're using multiple devices, make sure to update each one. You have now successfully changed your Wi-Fi password on your AT&T router. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.